Hello and welcome to all students. We have completed our topic number first, mathematical logic, and also we have completed each and every concept given in the text. Okay, and also based example based on JEE pattern, MSCT pattern. Those students who are not attending such type of video, they can observe each and every videos on same lecture. Okay, and this is our last lecture on this JEE pattern part number 4. Okay, and after completion of this pattern, this topic will be finished. Okay, if and for your practice you can refer your textbook or a reference book of any publishing company. Okay, now see here, let us start our the examples. These examples are more important for exam point of view. See here, the symbolic form of the following circuit is, observe here, this is circuit is given. Start from this. Here S1 is given, and we know S1 is denoted by the symbol P. S1 means P. S1 is closed. The switch S1 is closed. Another here S2. Use Q for S2 is also closed. Here S3 is not given. S1 dash means negation of P. S1 dash is also closed. These are all switches, and S2 is double here even. Do not need to write double again. Symbolic form, start from top to bottom. First, this is a wire first. S1 is parallel to this. S1 means use P, and this wire is parallel to S2. Parallel means we can use here the symbol R, here Q. This is our the mathematical form of this portion. But this whole wire is parallel to other. Parallel means we can use R. And for this, S1 dash means here negation of P. Again, S2 is here, means here we can use as and S2 we can use Q. And this is equivalent with what? L. L means the lamp will be on. Okay, this is a mathematical form of the symbolic form of the given circuit is, and symbolic form circuit is given. Let us say option. Okay, first bracket is P or Q, P or Q, first bracket P or Q, P or Q, here also, here not. So option may be in between A, B and C. Here is the connective, or is here in first, here also, here not. Third option is also not included here. So our option may be first or second. Observe now, second bracket, negation P and with Q. So in first, so our correct answer is first. Okay, so thus the symbolic form of the circuit is option number first. Okay, now same type of example can be asked to the exam. Let us see now example number second, and example number second is written here. Observe one, P or Q or with negation P and Q is equivalent with what? Okay, and options are given. Option number 1, option number 2, option number 3 and option number 4. Okay, and we have to simplify this. If we apply most of the example based on this type, and we have already discussed in last videos how to simplify this. Generally 99% examples can be solved by using algebra of statements or rules in the logic statement. Here the statement is here, P or with Q or negation P and with Q. This is the statement pattern is given. We cannot apply here distributive law, commutative law, associative law, and if we apply, the answer will not get in within a time. So try to use the truth table for this. Construct whole truth table for this, and by using the truth table we can observe that truth table of this column and truth table of this column may be equal, means option of this question is option number B. Let us construct the truth table of this. Now I am constructing truth table. First is a P, after that Q. Okay. Negation P, yes, here it is negation P. Negation Q, not here. Okay. Then use our first bracket, P or with Q. Negation, this bracket, negation P and with what? Q. This is number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here. Double T, double F. Okay. Number 1, 2, 3. Here. Q, TF, TF. Negation P. Here negation of P. But P is here. Write the negation of this vertical column. Double F, double T. Here P or Q. P or Q. P is in first, Q is in second. And use OR. What is result of OR? Result of OR is if double F, F it is F. Last F it is F. Otherwise fill with all T. Okay. This is column number 5. Column number, this is column number 4. This is column number 5. 5 means what? Negation P, column number 3, and with Q, column number 2. Now they are joined with what? And. And means what is the rule for and? Conjunction rule. Double T it is T. Double T, yes. Here it is. Double T it is T. In all the position, not double T. Write all F. Okay. And we have to find answer of this. This bracket is in 4. 4. Here join with OR. Here this bracket means 5. And 2 brackets connected with OR. 2 brackets connected with OR. What is result of OR? 4 number column. Make mark at 4. Another mark at 5. And they are connected with OR. What is result of OR? Result of OR is if double F it is F. Double F, yes, it is F. In all the position fill with what? T. Now we have to find the answer of this. This is equivalence with what? Option number first, option number second, option number 3. By observe the last result, and this observe triple TF, and here triple TF. Triple TF, triple TF. Both the column number here 4 and column number 6 are giving same entries. Means what? They are equivalence. Column number 4 what? P or Q, and this option is already here. Thus, only by drawing the truth table of this question, we will get the answer of this. And this is our example. Now see, simplifying circuit symbolic form is this one. And I have taken same example here. And by taking same example and again by using truth table, we are getting here the answer P or Q. So answer is this. Now same type of example I am giving here. Example number next, that is based on here. I am changing this part here only. Instead of using symbolic, the simplified form. The simplified form of following circuit is, same circuit is given, and here this circuit having switch number 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 switches, and we have to find the new circuit so as the new circuit having minimum number of switches. So we have to find simplified. And options are here. Option first is here S1 and S2. This is option number 1. Option number second, S1 here or S2 and they're connected like this. Here current is flowing like this. Option number C, S1 dash here S2, and option number D, S1 or with S2 dash. Same wire is connected like this. Okay. These are 4 options. Now just observe this circuit having 4 switches, and simplified circuit will be one of the option number 4. Thus we have seen symbolic form of same circuit is this one. Okay, and by simplifying this circuit, answer is what? P or Q. And answer is P or Q. And what is P? P means S1. P means what? Just observe here. P means here I am writing P is what? S1. Okay. R means here switch number S1. R means make wire parallel to this. Q, S2. And this is a symbolic form. Okay. Means what? By if circuit is given, convert this circuit in a mathematical form, symbolic form. Try to simplify like this. And equivalent circuit is P or equivalent option is P or with Q, and make again in a switching form. We will get S1 and S2, which is given in option number B. Means same technique, same rules, same knowledge of that mathematical logic we applied in consecutive 3 examples. Okay, let us see now next example. Now let us see one more example. This example asked in JEE Main 2016. What is the question? This question is totally different. Start with here the Boolean expression. Boolean expression. Boolean is the name of mathematician. He also given some rules related to mathematical logic. Okay, so rules are same one. Okay, so what is given? First bracket or with Q or with this bracket, and equivalence with what? And we have to again simplify by using some rules. This is our question, and try to simplify this. Observe, this is a bracket first. I am using bracket for Q also, or with this. First bracket, second bracket, third bracket, they are connected with or. First bracket or with second bracket or with third. So means P or Q or are like this. So we can make bracket for 2 or also other 2. So this is the associative law. So I am using bracket for first 2. Okay, this is by associative law. Associative law. Observe this bracket. Outside bracket there is a or symbol, and in between this there is and. We can use here distributive law. Apply here P and with Q. Here P and with Q, or P negation Q or with Q. Okay, again same bracket, or with what? Negation P and with Q. So this is a distributive law. Once again, use it. What is distributive law? Distributive law is here. Just here. P and with Q or R. What will distributive law? P and with Q. P and with Q or P and with R. This is distributive law. But P is to the left side, so this is a left distributive law. We can use the right distributive law also. P and with Q or with R. See here, this is R is to the right side. So we can use P or with R, P or with R, here Q or with R. This is also distributive law. This is the two laws are there for distributive law, left distributive law and what, right distributive law. So here this is a bracket and outside bracket there is a what, R with Q. So P and with Q, first bracket, P and with this, here is R written, negation Q or with second bracket, and no change in other parts. So this is a distributive law. By applying distributive law, again here we know our rule, D C I, D C I. So use the distributive law. Yes, we have applied distributive law. After that, complement law, second bracket is a complement, negation Q or with this, result is T, no change in other, here same one, square bracket as it is, or with what, negation P and with Q. This is a complement law. This is a complement law. By applying this, it remains to apply I. I means what? Identity law. Here P or with T. P or with T. This bracket or with T. So answer is only bracket by identity law. And here no change here. Here identity law. Okay, thus we get this option, but this option is not here. In between four options, this option is not here, and we have discussed the same option in last three examples. Example number 1 for switching circuit, and example number 2 simplify this, and see our earlier example. Same example is there. An option, by constructing the truth table of this, we will get the answer which is given in the C. Answer is given in C. The correct answer is P or with what? Q. This is the answer of this question. Now let us see one more example. This example is also asked for JEE Main 2012. See the example, the negation of statement. We have to find negation of the statement. If I become a teacher, then I will open a school. And this is a total, which type of statement? It is a compound statement, and we have discussed there are 5 types of compound statement: conjunction, disjunction, implication, double implication, okay, and negation. This is full statement is given in if then form. Here is a if and here is then. So this is the implication form, and for the implication, here if, here dash, here then, again dash. This portion is P, this portion is a Q. So here what will be the P? P means I become a teacher. I become a teacher. And what will be the Q? Q means the part after the word then. I will open a school. I will open a school. Okay, and the mathematical form is P implies with Q, and this is a mathematical representation. But we have to find negation of all this, and we have to find negation of this. P implies Q. What will be the negation? We have discussed the detail negation of what? Implication. The rule is P and with negation of Q. Observe this point is more important, and by using this rule we can find answer in between this. So start with this. Here is and first letter is P. P means what? I become a teacher. I become a teacher. This is statement. Start here. I become. Where it is? Yes, here. The option may be in option B or C. Here P. P means I become a teacher. So start with I will become a teacher. This is about what? P. Here and what is Q? Q means here it is negation. I will open a school. This is Q, but we want to write here negation of this. What will be the negation of this? Negation of whole this statement will. If this is not use here, not also in between this. I will open school. What is the negation? I will not open a school. This sentence must be here. I will not open a school. Very easy one example. This example is totally based on our this rule. And see where is the option? I will become yes, it is in C. I will become a teacher and I will not open a school. Thus we finished our option this. Now let us start the new next example, which is also more important. Now let us see one more example. This example was also asked for JEE 2015. Okay, see carefully. The contrapositive of the statement. What is new here? The contrapositive of the statement. And what is statement? This is full statement is given. If it is raining, then I will not come. If it is raining, I will not come. So this statement is also compound statement and if then form. Okay, and we all know the part between if and then, this portion is P and other the sentence after then is a Q. So here P, it is raining. This is our P. What will be Q? I will not come. Okay, this is P. Okay, this is in verbal form. Try to convert in a symbolic form. Symbolic form of the given statement is here if then. So use like this. P implies with Q. Okay, and what is the contrapositive of this statement? And I have discussed in a video lecture how to find converse of this statement, inverse of this statement, and third one is a contrapositive. What will contrapositive? Here I am writing contrapositive. Contrapositive, negation Q implies what? Negation P. And the contrapositive is this one, and by using this find the verbal form. Here symbol is implication, so our answer start with if. Here is some statement and here is also some statement. See, options are, all the options are start with if and then also use in between them. Okay, here negation of Q. Negation of Q, what is our Q? Here I will not come, and we have to find negation. Whole this statement is a Q and we have to write here negation of this. What will be negation of this? If I used here negation, here should be here not already present here. So we have to again use not here, not. Means remove that I will come. We start with if I will come, if I will come, then what? Negation of P. P is here. Use the negation of this. Negation of this use here, not here. Then will what? Then here it is not raining. This is answer. Now see, if I will come, then it is not raining. Where it is? Option number first. If I will come, just observe this part. Then also here, and it is not raining. Correct answer is our whole this part is given in first. So such type of examples are looking complicated, but by using some proper rule, means here contrapositive given. In other exam, here may be the converse of the given statement, inverse of the given statement. But in this JEE exam, here is the given contrapositive of the statement. Means same example can be solved by other two ways. If it is converse given, if it is inverse given, then make proper change on this implication form. The new statement will be formed, and observe such type of statement in the given options. Thus we finished our this topic. Okay, and by observing all the examples given in this whole videos, you will definitely get detailed knowledge of this mathematical logic. For detailed reference, see your board textbook or NCERT or CBSE books. You will get a good command on this topic. Thank you.